In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI. First, open your browser and head to the Grok website. If you're prompted to sign in, do that so your chats and settings are saved. Once you're in, you'll see the chat area with a message box at the bottom. This is where you'll talk to the AI and see its responses. Click the message box to start writing your prompt. Be clear and specific about what you need. For example, instead of saying marketing, try draft a 100-word product blurb for an eco-friendly water bottle. Friendly tone. Press send to submit and give it a moment to respond. If the answer isn't quite right, follow up in the same thread with what to adjust. Short clarifications work best. To bring in your own materials, click the pin icon on the left to upload files. You can attach documents, images, or data you want the AI to reference. After you upload, tell Grok how to use the file, like summarize the attached PDF and list 3 key takeaways. Avoid uploading anything confidential and keep file names descriptive so you can recognize them later. If you prefer speaking instead of typing, click voice chat. Your browser may ask for microphone access. Allow it, then speak naturally. Pause between thoughts so the AI can respond, and if something needs precision, you can always add a quick text message to refine the result. A quiet environment and a clear mic make a noticeable difference. For different communication styles, click Pick Persona. This gives you answers from a particular perspective, like a teacherly explainer or a concise analyst. Choose what fits the task, and remember, you can switch personas at any time. The facts stay the same, only the tone and approach change. When you want images, click Imagine. Describe what you envision with details like subject, style, lighting, and framing. For example, a high contrast photo of a city street at dusk, cinematic wide angle. The AI will generate visuals you can review and iterate on by refining your prompt. For deeper research, click DeepSearch. Write a clear question or topic, and the tool will explore sources and synthesize findings. Ask it to surface citations or compare viewpoints. Use these results as a starting point and follow up with expand on source 2 or summarize the pros and cons. That's the tour. Type to chat, upload files when needed, try voice, pick a persona for style, imagine for images, and deep search for research. With clear prompts and a bit of iteration, Grok AI becomes a powerful partner in your daily work.